If you ever wondered what it's like to stay at the Mackinac House, you're in the right place. Hi everyone, I'm Trisha from the Mackinac Island Travel Tips and Suggestions Facebook group, where together with my sister Charlene, we've helped over 57,000 members plan their ideal trips to Mackinac Island. During our recent stay, we stayed in room 21, a Queen Deluxe room with a private balcony overlooking Market Street. Come along and let me give you a quick tour. As soon as you walk in, the first thing you'll notice is how bright, clean, and modern the room feels. Right off the entry is the bathroom, which features beautiful finishes, a fully tiled walk-in shower, and luxury bath amenities. Turning into the main room, you'll find two pillow-top queen beds with cotton sheets, making it a great setup for families or friends traveling together. Across from the beds is a wall-mounted smart TV, along with a couple of comfortable chairs that creates a nice little seating area to relax after a day of exploring the island. The room also includes a mini refrigerator, perfect for keeping drinks and snacks cold during your stay. One of our favorite features of this room was definitely the private balcony. It overlooks Market Street, making it a wonderful place to enjoy your morning coffee or simply relax and watch the island go by. And this is one of those moments that just feels so uniquely Mackinac Island. The moment I stepped out onto the balcony, a horse-drawn carriage made its way down the street. The balcony also gives you a great view in both directions along Market Street, so it's a fun place to sit and take in the sights and sounds of the island throughout the day. We truly loved our stay at the Mackinac House. The location was incredibly convenient, the room was comfortable and beautifully updated, and that balcony quickly became one of our favorite places to relax. If you're thinking about staying here and have questions, we've put together a post on our website that answers the most frequently asked questions about the Mackinac House, from room options and amenities to location, luggage, and everything in between. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. And if you found this room tour helpful, I'd love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Mackinac Island travel tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.